Welcome to Techietalkee.
Hello friends, in this video I'll be explaining you a very simple program to find out if a given number, whatever number the user is going to provide, is even or odd. And in my previous videos I would have already explained about the modulus operator. What a modulus operator does is, it divides one number by another and it returns the remainder of that division. So, to find out if a number is odd or even, we will divide that number by 2. And if the remainder is 0, it means it is an even number. And if the remainder is not 0, which is 1, it means that it is an odd number. Let me explain you step by step on how to develop this in Python. First, we need to get the input from the user, for which I am going to call the input function. Let me use a variable num, which is going to get that input value. So I'll give input of please enter a number. By default, this input function is going to return the value as a string object, and we need to convert this to an integer value. So for that, I'll convert it by giving int of this particular input value. So after getting the user input, next we need to check if the number is odd or even, for which I'm going to use a if-else statement. So I'll give if, and what is the variable which is going to store the user input? It is num. So I'll give num modulus 2, and I'm going to check if it is equal to 0, which means the remainder of that particular value should be 0. In that case, I'm going to print a message saying that particular num is an even number. Else, it's going to be an odd number. Let's execute this code and check the results. So it is asking for a number. I'll give 24. When I give enter, it says 24 is an even number. Next, let me try giving an odd number. I'll give 23. It says 23 as odd number. Hope you now understood how to write a very simple or a basic program in Python to identify if a number is odd or even.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.